Are you ready to ignite the chef in you? When you talk about cakes, the one name which comes in your mind is Charlotte. And we've got gorgeous Charlotte here. She's the pastry head chef of Bakers, and she's going to show us some tricks and trades to decorate a cake. Hi Charlotte.
Hi.
Are you ready to ignite the pastry chef in you?
Oh, I hope so.
Great.
I guess a cute little tip, I sellotape my boards so that when I'm going, it's not going to move. I'm a big fan of Italian meringue buttercream, and I'm also quite particular in the texture that I have it. If it's too soft, it's not going to hold my cake. If it's too hard, it's going to be way too difficult to try and use as well.
So why would you use Italian meringue buttercream?
So I'm not a fan of American buttercream.
Right.
I don't think that you can get a very good texture from it. You can easily add in coffee shots, jam, even pastry cream. So you want to kind of keep your border around the cake, so that if you are using a runny jam or a runny lemon curd, it shouldn't escape. So I'm also a pretty big fan of textures inside a cake. Even though it's a cake, you can still add more to it. Hence why we try not to just use one thing. So I've got rhubarb jam and then a compressed rhubarb. So where I work, we're pretty big on seasonality and things that are grown in New Zealand. So nothing can be coconut or pineapple, things like that, which makes it difficult. But then it also makes it quite fun because you know that you're only using things that are grown here. Kiwi fruit's big at the moment with us. Poached spiced pear, which is quite cool. Lemon curd into a lemon meringue cake. And then of course salted caramel. The great thing about this little guy is that I don't really have to do much. That I should hopefully, if I've done it right, get nice straight edges.
So if you want to be the best, you need to do more practice.
More practice, lots of hours.
And long hours.
It should give me a nice little edge. Cool. And now I just have to put it in the fridge for a bit.
Fantastic.
And then I'll show you another trick. So this is my second little trick that I learned. Giving yourself the top. Oh, we're pretty close. You can either use a knife, like offset spatula, like I'm doing. One, this is great because now it's going to cover most of my cake. Yeah.
Beautiful. Isn't that neat?